building here.
What's up?
Yeah, tired, hot, sweaty, late night, but we're gonna get it done. What are we doing today on it?
We are swapping out all the suspension arms. The rear, subframe, every arm, brakes, braking system, hubs, the whole, from here back.
Yep.
We're gonna replace with something else.
Well, that's good, that's good. Well, we're trying to make the car bulletproof and
faster too, yeah.
Yep, absolutely. We can't say anything, but for this car and fielding, we got some big things coming.
Yeah.
So obviously this is drift car. We're about halfway through the season right now, so obviously it's still holding up pretty well. As for normal on the drift car, the bumper is over there. So 2JZ power plant. What does this make, Ethan? Like 450?
480.
Like 480. Pump gas, super reliable, and something to be noted about this motor, it has been in this car. How long has it been in this car now?
5 years, I think.
5 years.
Like that.
Yeah, 5 years this engine's been in this car.
5 years.
Yeah, 5 years. One, because of Ethan tuning it, and two, because of Fielding maintaining it. Mostly Ethan tuning.
Yeah, I don't maintain it that well, and I'm not very nice to it when I drive it. So.
No, not at all. You never have been. It's okay not to be nice.
Yeah.
So if you can't see us at any point in time, I do apologize. It's dark, it's late. Yeah, that's car life.
Midnight run.
Yep, midnight run. So another thing y'all might not know on the channel is Fielding. You're working at Rally Ready, aren't you?
Yeah.
Which I'm sure some of you local Texas subscribers know, Rally Ready.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to go out there and shoot something. It just looks like way too much fun.
Yeah, it's silly. It's just silly how much fun it is. And what we can get away with out there.
Yeah. It's straight like breaking the law, breaking the law.
Put it this way, there's a lot of stuff we can't post on video online.
Yeah, it's straight illegal.
It just would look bad, like, oh my God, they're gonna kill themselves. There have been many like near-death instances.
Yeah. Like, no, you can't shoot that gun and blow up that can of kerosene, you know, jumping the car.
We've battled face-to-face like jousting while rallying with Roman candles out the window at each other.
Oh, that sounds like a blast.
Yeah.
So what's the first step? What are we doing first?
So first I gotta get it on the lift, raise it up, then we'll rip the subframe out. Then we'll start transferring some of the parts over, adding some of the new parts, get everything aligned as best we can, just kind of eyeball it.
So this is a whole new rear subframe.
Yeah, completely. It's
an S15, exact same?
It's an S15 subframe.
Okay.
It's S14, they're pretty much the same, pretty close. This one has rubber bushings in it though, so it's gonna be a little bit softer, a little more give.
Yeah.
And then the control arms we're changing to a plated rear lower control arm that's the factory. So this is going to be able to, like, you know, skid across any surfaces that I might encounter. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
And the arms we're changing out to SPL arms. These are the best in the business. They have the best quality Heim joints and everything on them is like as good as you can get. So that's what we're going to need for that. We'll put the same differential back in. The rubber bushings here, though, will give it a little bit of give. So you'll see why here in just a little bit. But I'm going to need a little bit of a soft landing, so to speak. So
absolutely.
Just leave it at that.
Sweet.
Need is the electric ratchet and the wrench to install this now. Maybe they're all crack free except for that exact one.
Oh, whatever, dude. Fielding's explaining who got him on the door here.
Oh, So this very famous Japanese driver, one of the best, Naoki.
What?
Yeah.
What? Oh man, let me touch it. Yeah.
Same there. This is Adam LZ.
Your driving's been awesome today. Like really good. Right there.
This is also Adam LZ. Right here.
Nice. And plug Lone Star Drift.
Over here, we've got, this is me hitting Spencer at round 2. Kind of can't see that one.
No, we can see that one. That one's not bad.
Let me grab the light.
We're going over battle scars.
Yeah. So this is me hitting Spencer, round 2. This is Naoki on the other side. Same lap.
Same lap?
Yeah, if you check
on the other side?
If you check my Instagram, you can see a video
I think
of him
I've seen that one.
tagging me one side, we transition, then he tags the other side. It was pretty amazing. Definitely like...
Oh, that's because he's good.
He's real good, yeah.
Yeah.
He's definitely like a bucket list thing for me, you know?
So you're gonna, same wheel setup?
Yeah, we use the same wheels, but I'm gonna put bigger tires on.
What size, what are these?
These are 265 35 18. And the plan is to go to a, there it goes, a 275 40 18.
275 40 18.
Yeah, so I want a big fat sidewall so I can have a little bit more squish.
So you want to run lower tire pressure?
Yeah.
Is that the goal, or just a little more bite, a little more surface
squish.
patch? Yeah.
A little more squish for
Yeah.
if you ever
Yeah.
land hard, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, the 35 series is a little bit small.
And of course, we'll make another plug. He'll be running Kendas.
Yeah, it'll be Candace for sure. And then on the front, I'm gonna run a 245/45. So right now I'm running a 235/40. So a little bit taller, a little bit wider up front too.
Yep.
That's the plan.
Hey, and make sure right now, at Shredder Racing, right here, will you please give this guy a follow? Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, you name it. Make sure you go and follow this guy. Big things coming.
Thank you for that. Yeah, it's gonna be a wild ride.
Wild ride. Hey, but that's what you're in this for, right?
That's right.
If it was going to be slow and boring, you wouldn't be doing it.
Yeah, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't. No.
Although Ethan likes slow and boring.
You got right.
Ethan likes slow and boring. We'll go back over here to slow and boring.
Help me on my
There you go. There you go. I think it's totally free now.
Check on the diff. I think there's a line. Yeah, now.
No. Hang on. Ow. Okay, got it. Looks all good. Looks all good.
Yeah, boy.
Looks all good. Ryan. 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 I mean, you're saying. Oh, that's going right now. Oh, hi. I didn't realize. My bad.
Ryan!
Oh, good.
Ryan!
Good, you got it.
Ryan!
We're doing things.
We're doing things, Ryan! We're doing things!
Things are happening. Parts are moving. All right. Subframe is out. Now we got to transfer the diff and axles and 5-lug.
Just everything.
Everything!
Just all of the things.
Yeah.
Well, we got the diff out.
It weighs like 100 less pounds without the diff and axle.
Yeah.
Okay. So meow.
Last thing we have is the 5 lugs.
do it.
Oh, they're fucking Allen head on the front.
Well, that's retarded.
I love Allen heads.
Worst invention ever.
No, we're smaller than that.
Oh.
Ethan,
What?
I gotta go to bed.
Alright, man.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Trackstar Mediaworks. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that big thumbs up. We wish Fielding all the best. Once again, if you don't follow him yet, make sure at Shredder Racing on Instagram, Facebook. You can follow him on YouTube. There'll be a link down below. You might just see this sexy beast on TV soon.